Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, part of Redbud Realty and Associates. Saw something yesterday morning that really piqued my interest and kind of was a wake-up call, which is on Sunday morning infomercials. Now the ShamWow and all that kind of good stuff is typically what's on, but I saw the return of something that I haven't seen in a long time. If you'll just give me this money and come to my seminar here in Oklahoma City, and you have bad credit and no money, I'm going to make you a millionaire in 1 year with my proven techniques. I'm the #1 expert in real estate investment in the United States. And it has been since 2006, maybe, since I've seen these kinds of commercials. Now that tells you something. Number one, it tells you there's a lot of investment going on without question. But number two, it tells you that the scam artists are back, that these people, where they make money is getting you to buy their DVDs or their books or whatever that they're selling. And in fact, the one thing that I saw back in 2006 is in Oklahoma, many of the things that they were asking you to do, besides being impossible, was things that could get you into big trouble. In other words, that you would maybe be performing some felonies, things against the law, and they don't teach law on these things, although they should be sued for the fact that they try to act like attorneys. So you need to be very, very careful about this. Now, if I look at the last few years of investing in the United States, especially when things really went down in 2008, I saw typically about 60% of purchases of investment properties were cash. In other words, what happens when things are down is that people tend to buy with cash. The people that have the money still, that didn't really do anything stupid, go, now's the time to buy. Well, now we're in 2012. Oklahoma is doing exceptionally well. In fact, our sales are up this year 37% over last year. Our median price is up about 10%, same way with the median price per square foot. Everything is moving up. Yet this guy this morning was saying, well, if you come to my seminar, I'll show you how to buy a $100,000 property for $25,000. This doesn't happen, guys. It just does not happen. I've got a lot of investors. That's been my specialty for 23 years. They're buying again in Oklahoma, and I'm having a very difficult time finding the right return on investment. And I will promise you this, if you have bad credit and no cash, you shouldn't be giving your money away. It's like investing in the lottery. In fact, I think the lottery has a better possible return on investment for you than these sham webinars about how you're going to be a millionaire. Do not believe it. And let me give you a piece of advice about return on investment, because I do this on every piece of property that we sell. If I'm buying a property and I'm looking at the capitalization rate, which is how much return on the total investment that I get in the first year, and it's 10%. That's considered a good return on investment. Let me tell you an even better return on investment. In fact, I'm going to give you a secret tip here that's not going to cost you a dime. You don't have to buy my DVDs. If you're in this situation with bad credit and no money, I guarantee you it's a good chance that you have credit cards. And when you look at the interest rate on credit cards, they're typically right now as much as 25, 27%. So guess what? Instead of trying to spend $100 or $200 or $1,000 or whatever these garbage people are trying to sell you, and let's say it's even $200, if you pay off $200 of your MasterCard or Visa, guess what? That's a 25 to 27% return on investment, isn't it? Because you're not paying any interest on that $200 anymore. So save your money, get out of debt, build your credit back up, put some cash away, and then let real investment people who are conservative, who will tell you how it's been done for years and years and years properly, and believe me, that hasn't changed. We'll tell you how to create some wealth. It's not going to be $1 million in a year. I wish it was. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here talking to you in this video selling real estate. I would be at the south of France. Most of us would be maybe at this point, but that doesn't happen. So save your money, get serious about your debt, get rid of those credit card debts. It's the best return on investment you have. Don't give away your money to these scam artists. This is Joe Pryor, the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.